How are we doing, everyone? It is another beautiful evening. It is 11:30 at night. I hauled gas and burned gas to get this knocked out for my buddy. He's a landscaper, and he wanted it back by Monday because he's got to go do some work with it. Let me show you what I did. It was an interesting project, and I figured I would document it. So let's check it out. Here it is. This is his landscaping trailer. Now, the ramps were not heavy enough for his walk-behind skid steers to go up, so they were turned into spaghetti. They were curved and bent like this from the weight of the skid steer. Had to slice them, dice them, and then brace them up with this 1/4 inch by 2 inch angle iron. I added this piece as well because this expanded metal was all sagging in here. It's really crazy how light they build these things. But I got it fixed up for them. They need me in their design department. You can see where I had to cut out and remove material to get this to flatten back out. I drove over it with our big 11,000-pound forklift to squish it flat again. Then I braced it up with the angle iron. The issue with the bracing that I did was that it makes it too heavy. It was all I could do to get it up waist height. And my buddy, who's a landscaper, is fit. He can deadlift a whole lot of weight. He could get it up there, but the guys that work for him, maybe not. So I came up with a interesting solution. Yes, I'm sweating like a pig because it is humid out here. I'm also covered from head to toe in fine grinding dust and dirt. The water coming off of me in the shower is going to be black. But this is the winch system that we came up with. I came up with it on the fly. I had to reinforce this 1/8 inch metal channel iron with some heavy duty 1/4 inch by 3 inch by 1.5 inch channel iron. That beefed it up. There's no give in it now. And then I took 2 pieces of angle iron and welded a piece of flat stock in between them to make them super sturdy, make it to where they wouldn't bend. One slides down in the pocket, the other slides down on the outside of the pocket and rests here. And there is no give on that, even though this ramp here weighs about 250 pounds, maybe a little more. It's really cool how it came out. I used just a basic winch here. We keep those in stock for the manufacturing that we do. And I used a part to a clipper seat cleaner up there for the cable pulley. That has a heavy duty bronze oil impregnated bushing up there, so he'll never need to oil that. Just hooks on there, then you undo the crank, lets it down, and then you crank it to pull it back up. Now nobody will hurt their back. I also designed this to be quickly taken on and off. So just grab onto this angled handle right here. It's perfect for pulling upward. You can pull it up and out of this stake pocket right here, and that makes it handy for if they need to load something from the side and take this side off. I didn't want to make it solid mount, so it's really cool that I was able to pull it off and make something that just slides in and out and is easy to remove and install. If you want to see it work, let's check it out. Okay, taking out the main latch here, just reverse the winch. Let it come down.
You road trailer for sailoring. Trailer for sailoring.
And there we have it. Nobody's got to strain their back. Nobody has to drop it and then get out of the way really quickly. Then when they need to hold it up, just reverse the winch. And start tanking.
Oh, sailoring. Trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no trailer for sailoring.
And then you walk around, latch it, and you're ready to go down the road. Easy peasy. It is a bit of a workout to use that winch, but it's much easier than using your back and hurting a lot more at the end of the day. I think it came out pretty good.
A-okay.
I've got some cleaning up to do in here. As you can see, it's a disaster area. I was moving like greased lightning. Then after I get done cleaning up, I can head for home and get a shower because I need one. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button. Subscribe, comment if you like. That stimulates the algorithm. That's all I've got for you today. Good night.